Mosquito repellent project components required:
one breadboard, one potentiometer, a buzzer, a 555 timer, 10 microfarad capacitor, 1 k ohm resistor, battery strapper and some wires. Place the 555 timer on the breadboard. This is the notch point. So as we know, in the 555 timer, this is pin 1. From the notch point, this is pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here, first we will short pin 2 and 6. Then we will short pin 4 and 8. Connect pin 8 to the positive of the battery, that is the positive line of the breadboard. Then take the 10 microfarad capacitor, connect its positive to pin 2 and negative to the ground, or also you can connect it to pin 1 of the 555 timer since pin 1 is the ground. Now connect pin 1 of the 555 timer to the negative line of the breadboard. Now take a potentiometer, place it on the breadboard in this way. Short two terminals of the potentiometer together. We are connecting this one and this one. You have to short either this two terminal or this two terminal. So we are shorting the middle terminal with the right side terminal and then connect the middle terminal to either pin 2 or pin 6. We are connecting it to pin 2. Then connect the other terminal of the potentiometer to pin 7 of the 555 timer. Now take a 1 kilo ohm resistor and connect it between pin 8 and pin 7. So this is pins 8 and this is pins 7. Connect it in this way. Now take the buzzer. In the buzzer, the long leg is the positive, the short leg is the negative. Place it on the breadboard in this way. Connects it positive to the pin 3, that is the output pin of the 555 timer. And the negative to the negative of the battery. Now we have to connect the battery. Now connect the positive of the battery to the positive line and the negative of the battery to the negative line. As you can see, the buzzer is buzzing and we can adjust the sound with the help of the potentiometer.